These are the WET series of IPX55 indoor-outdoor wall speakers. They are available in two different colors of black and white, as well as two different sizes of 5 1/4 inch and 6 1/2 inch. The speakers feature a 4-way swivel wall mount bracket that allows you to angle the speakers left to right, as well as up and down. These speakers can handle 40 watts at 8 ohm and are perfect for home use in your living room, home theater setup, bedroom, and especially for your outdoor patio or backyard area, since they are IPX55 water resistant and weatherproof. These are perfect for playing background music to set the ambiance in low-level listening, but since they also are two-way speakers with a tweeter and a woofer, they are going to have a great bass response for high-fidelity, loud listening, or even if you want to use them as your front left and right speakers in a 5.1 home theater setup. And when you combine these speakers with a subwoofer, you will get an even bigger sound. Now, the 4-way swivel mount bracket makes sound staging these speakers in your house or on your patio easier and more efficient, so you can get the best sound out of your room by angling them in the most optimal position. The speakers have a nice and sleek design, and the IPX55 rating means you can install these indoors or outdoors. They can withstand heavy rain, moisture, sun, dust, and even jet streams of water hitting the speaker from multiple different angles. We went above and beyond in terms of product development to get these speakers IPX55 rated. The cabinets were upgraded to a high-end waterproof ABS material. The grill is made of aluminum and will never rust from outdoor use, and we even powder coated the steel brackets to ensure that the brackets wouldn't rust either. Even the speaker wire push terminals are both waterproof and rustproof. Now, on top of using this speaker at 8 ohms with a normal home theater receiver or amplifier, there is also a 70-volt tap if you want to use these speakers for commercial applications with a 70-volt amplifier. At 70 volts, the speaker can be tapped in 4 different options of 2.5 watts, 5 watts, 10 watts, and 20 watts. The WET-6525s can be tapped at 3.75 watts, 7.5 watts, 15 watts, and 30 watts. But you're probably wondering what these speakers sound like, so let's go check out a demo that we have set up. Alright guys, we got the WET-7020 blacks on the wall. Now I'm running them off a Bluetooth LED, and if you're doing something similar where you're running it off a home theater stereo or receiver, just make sure you switch the knob over to the 8 ohm setting. Now in this demo, I'm doing a really simple setup where I'm just running these two speakers off the Bluetooth, but you could add a subwoofer to this setup to really round out the sound and give you even more bass frequency response. So let me go ahead and just play this so you can hear what these sound like. Okay, so just the two speakers alone, I'm at like medium volume here. You can see they have a great frequency response. It's still that booming bass, and the tweeters are very balanced, so they're not tinny or a high frequency. I can go up a little bit, you can hear the bass. These two speakers alone sound great. And that's one of the great things about these speakers, I gotta lower it so you can hear me, is they're perfect for low listening, but you can also raise it up. They're great for loud listening. You get a little bit of everything. They sound awesome. So if you're looking for 5 1/4 inch or 6 1/2 inch black or white indoor or outdoor IPX55 wall speakers for your home patio, bedroom, living room, home theater setup, or even for commercial applications, look no further than the WET series from Rockville.